girls. My name is Teacher Lisa, and today we are going to discuss an easy at-home activity called a number activity. So this activity can be done two ways. You have two options. You can either do it indoors or you can do it outdoors. I'm going to show you a way to do it indoors, but also tell you a way how you can do it outdoors. So let's start off with talking about the supplies that you will need to do this activity. So personally, I just use construction paper and I just cut a strip off, two of them. And then, so you'll need construction paper, scissors, and a marker. That's what I used, and probably a flat surface or even a large carpeted area. So it's kind of gonna be more or less, not a number hunt, but objects to bring back to count. So let's start off with what these children will learn while they're doing this activity. So we just want them to know that learning can take place anywhere. So that's why the same activity you can do inside, you can do outside. Outside, when you're going to do it, you can use rocks, you can use twigs, you can use sticks, you can use flowers, leaves, pine cones, anything from the nature, since we are going to count. Also, in order to do this, because we want, what they're going to learn from this is number recognition and number correspondence. So you'll need a large area as well. And on the floor, you'll also need some chalk. So on the floor, you'll write a big 1, a 2. You can go up as high as you want. Maybe start from 1 to 5. If your child can count further than that, or they're still interested after 5, then maybe just start with 1 through 5. And then after that, if they want to do more, then just add more numbers to it. But right now they can do 1 to 5. So you're going to get your chalk and you're going to write a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 on the floor. And like I said, you can use rocks, twigs, sticks, flowers, leaves, pine cones. Explain to them that this is the number 1. Can you go find me one thing from the playground? 1 rock. Bring it back. Put it on the number 1. Can you find me 2 flowers? See if they come back and they bring you 2 flowers. Put it on the number 2. Can you find me 3 pine cones? Okay, they bring them back, put them there, and so on and so on. So that's how you would do it for the outside activity. So like I said, I did an inside activity. So I cut this construction paper about this thick, and then I just cut it in half to make some squares, just so I can write the numbers on it. So that's what the scissors and the construction paper are for. And then you'll need a hard surface. You can do it on the carpet, but since I'm here at the table, I'm going to show you how to do it on the table. I just used everyday activities. It's going to be the same concept of it being outside as inside. You're going to tell them, okay, so you're going to lie out the numbers. So and I used the marker to write the number on the paper, and I only did it to 1 to 6. But like I said, start off with 1 to 5, and then if they're still interested, then you can add more numbers to it, and so on and so on. So what I'm going to do is I wrote the numbers on it. I am going to lay it out on my table in numerical order, and then 4, 5, and 6. So I did it to 6. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to use everyday objects. So for the number 1, can you please bring me 1 item? You don't have to tell them exactly what item. So I have 1 beanbag. For number 2, I have 2 glue sticks. I will bring you back something from whatever room, wherever, somewhere in the house. It can be anything. It can be socks. It can be spoons. It can be bowls. It could be Tupperware lids. It can be anything inside the house. These are items that you might have, because I know we sent some supplies home. You can use those items. For 3, I have 3 counters. 1, 2, and 3. So what it's going to look like is this. So 1, 2, 3, right there, 3 counters. So for 4, I have 4 paper clips. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna have them count them off for you. For 5, I have 5 dry erase markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is, like I said, this is going to be a number correspondence to see if they can match the item to the number, and number recognition. So then you can go by and you know, have them count the items to you as they bring them. Okay, so I see you, how many markers did you find? Oh, I found 5. Okay, so which one is number 5? Go put them on number 5. They don't have to be standing, they can be laying down. I was just trying to show you. Okay, oh, you found 3 cars? Okay, so where's the number 3? Go put them on the number 3. Oh, but I only have 1 beanbag. Okay, go find the number 1. So like I said, this activity can be done inside, it can be done outside. It's all about number correspondence and number recognition. And this will be a child parent activity, so they will need your guidance and they will need your support to kind of guide them what to look for, where to look, and what to bring back. Maybe you can do the first number for them. I'm gonna find 1 rock and you go get it, you bring it back. Can you go find me 2 rocks? Doesn't have to be different objects. It can be the same object when it's outside. I found 1 rock. Can you go find 2? And then I'm gonna go find 3. Can you find 4? And you can do it like that. So this way it's a team effort, and you guys are involved with helping them learn their number correspondence and their number recognition. So I hope you enjoyed this home activity, and have a great day.